1-week diet plan. You can lose weight like the Biggest Loser contestants without having to spend time at the ranch. This free 1-week meal plan, excerpted from the Biggest Loser 30-day Jumpstart, helps you follow a low-calorie diet with delicious Biggest Loser recipes and meal ideas. The diet plan was designed by professionals on healthy diets, the show's resident nutritionist. On this diet, you'll eat 3 healthy meals and 2 snacks a day for a total of around 1,500 calories per day. Start losing weight today. Day 1, Breakfast. Ham and cheese breakfast melt. You can add mustard or a slice of tomato to customize this sandwich, if you like. It reheats well, too, so you might want to make 2 at a time and warm the second one the following morning. 1 Thomas Light Whole Grain English Muffin, split 1 slice, 1 ounce, lean, low sodium ham or lean Canadian bacon, 2 egg whites, 1 slice low or reduced fat cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Coat an egg ring, see note, with olive oil cooking spray. 1 minute in a small non-stick skillet. Remove the ham from the skillet and place it on half of the toasted 2. Toast the muffin halves until they're lightly browned. While the muffin toasts, warm the ham for about 3 English muffin. Cover to keep it warm. 3. Place the prepared egg ring in the non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg whites into the ring. Cover the pan and cook over medium heat for about 3 minutes, or until the eggs are nearly set. Run a knife or spatula around the inside edge of the ring to break the egg loose. Remove the ring. Flip the egg 4 over and cook it for about 30 seconds longer, or until done. 4. Place the egg on top of the ham. While the egg is piping hot, lay the cheese over it. Top with the remaining muffin half. Serve hot. Start losing weight today. And download the full 1-week diet plan. To get amazing results. It's totally free to download. The link in description. Enjoy losing weight now. And don't forget to subscribe for more free ebooks and free diets.